Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, part 5. So let's start with this one. Oh, he's a little lamb. Look at him, he has little bumps. Look at him, he's so cute. I don't have, oh, he has another head concussion, never mind. I don't have this one yet. Let's start with this one. He's a little tiny elephant. He's so cute. Also, I don't have this one. Any of them I don't really have. Well, yeah, I don't really have. Oh, look at him. He's a little seal. He's so cute. Oh, look. It's a green unicorn. It's matching, but different colours. Next up is the snail. He's so cute. Look how detailed that one is. For part 6. Sorry,